Hey guys, what's going on? Today's video, I'm baking a cake. Gotta have some dessert with that barbecue today on the 4th. It's gonna be great. Super simple recipe, okay? 1 box of cake mix, 1 can of pie filling, and 3 eggs. That's it. Flavors I'm going with today is strawberry cake mix with a peach pie filling. Strawberry and peaches go well, it's gonna be good. I've made it with chocolate cake mix and cherry pie filling. I've made it with spice cake mix and apple pie filling, yellow cake mix and blueberry pie filling. You can do whatever you want. You mix it up however you like. But simple 3 ingredient cake recipe, goes good with barbecue. Trust me, it's gonna be good. Stick around. All right, guys, so here we go. 3 ingredient cake, right? Strawberry cake mix, going with that. Can of Lucky Leaf peach pie filling, okay? Going with that. And 3 eggs, that's it. Can't get no easier than that. Very simple, very easy. And can't mess it up, you really can't unless you burn it. That's the eggs. Oh, and the pie filling. I get a knife and I come through here and kind of cut the peaches up a little bit, okay? I already did this a little while ago, so just to speed up some time. Add that into the pie, or the cake mix. And again, your flavor profiles can be whatever you want. So good. And then the 3 eggs. Get those in there. And that is it. All right, now to get this in here, on here and in here for 2 minutes. And let it rock. Start slow. Two minutes. And I'll let you watch that go. Just put it on pause. All right, stopped it there. Lock that. Some of that good stuff off of there. You can see the peaches in there. I don't know if you can or not, but they kind of chopped up pretty good. There's some good chunky ones in there still. Over here. That in the sink. All right, I've got I'm gonna do a bundt pan today. I've already oiled it and put flour on it. And we're gonna get this batter in there. Like I say, guys, this is so simple and easy to do. Anybody can do it, even me. See those peaches in there? Chunks. Oh yeah. Get some more of this. On the bottom. And again, guys, your flavor combinations can be all over the place. I don't know if ever y'all made this before or not. If you have, let me know in the comments. If not, try it. If you haven't done it, try it. All right, I'm gonna get this in a 350-degree oven, 45 minutes, and we'll be back. Oh, it's time. It's time. Let's check this cake out. See how she looks. Oh yeah. Get my pan holders on and check it. All right, let's check this. And toothpick comes out clean. Comes out clean, not wet. It's ready to go. And you can see that. All right, gonna let this cool. We're gonna flip it and check it out. All right, guys, this cake is cooled. There you go. Let's see what we can do. Flipping it over. And there you go. All right, now get this back here. There we go. I've got some frosting here that I've put in the microwave for a little bit, and we're just gonna drizzle it over the top like so. And let it run down the sides. And in the middle. Let's cover some spots. It'll pool in the middle, but that's alright. That's for anybody who wants that extra amount of sugar. They can get it from the inside. And go from there. Alright. Get a little cake spatula over here. Just kind of play with it a little bit, like so. Alright. And that's it. It's gonna be good, good, good. Like I say, simple, very easy. I ain't no baker by any means, but I kind of, like to play around. And it's like barbecue, same thing, we all learn, right? Ain't no beauty contest, but we learn. So, all right, guys, gonna go from here with that, and turn her in. Ain't no cook-off, right? Ain't no whatever. Let it cool down a little more. We'll get another. Let it cool down a little more and just get another. I'm sorry, I was licking my fingers over here. Let it cool down just a little bit. Let that icing cool down a little bit, and then I'll slice it up. Cool, cool. All right, guys, we're back out here. Well, I'm here. There's the cake. Now, last time you saw it, it was just iced all over, right? Well, what I wound up doing and what I always do, I didn't record it, but I put this whole tray in the microwave for a minute. And that frosting melted all over the sides. Made a mess down here, but I cleaned it up. But this is the end result. Now, I've let it sit overnight, let it cool, and we're going to slice it right now. Take a look, have it with a little coffee this morning, okay? Alrighty. Take a slice here. And this cake, let me tell you, is so moist. Let's get this. Do this right here. That's just strawberry cake. It's little pieces of peach in here. It's got them peaches all up in there. Not bad looking little piece of cake, right? See that color in there? Yeah. Alright, give this a little taste and see what it's like. Alright, guys, let's get this little strawberry peach cake taste here. I know it's gonna be good. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Little coffee. Very rich, very moist. 3-ingredient cake, guys. Cake mix, can of peach filling, pie filling, and 3 eggs. That's it. Super simple. I've seen this recipe done in Dutch ovens, uh, cobblers, kind of thing. That's a different recipe altogether. But yeah, give this cake recipe a try. It goes well with barbecue after a good meal. I managed to save it for breakfast this morning with some coffee. And it got late on me last night. And yeah, so appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Again, thanks a lot for hanging around. And we'll catch you on the next one. I've got a pork chop video I'm going to do on the Weber kettle. That's coming up. Posted here pretty soon. Thanks. God bless. Have a happy 4th.